Hey guys, so I've been building something that I thought you might find very cool. It's called SecondCursor, and the way it works is you can see in my screen there's a cursor that's sort of following my main cursor, and it's basically using the power of AI to recommend things, suggest ideas, and keep me on track when I'm working. So a couple of things that SecondCursor does. It's installable on your computer, and it basically sees everything that you see and can help you with identifying things like ideas that you can suggest based on doing repetitive tasks. It knows what you've done and it can suggest, well, it can also create a tool for that and get you fully automated in terms of repetitive tasks that you got going, etc. And in terms of you as a team, Second Curson's even more awesome, where you might have one person who's already done something. Like over here, you can see my colleague has already sent the confirmation email, and it's able to identify that and kind of stopped you from resending the same thing. So a lot of things that Second Cursor can do, it's will be the first AI that is a proactive AI rather than reactive AI, and that's something that we're working on. And if you'd like to check it out, just drop a comment over here and I'll get you very early access. This is still highly experimental. It consumes a lot of AI at the moment, but I think this is the future in terms of having AI that's proactive rather than reactive. So let me know what you think, and what use cases can you think of? There's one that I'm working on where it can help me keep on track with my work. So, for example, if I open up any sort of fun website or anything else that's not really work related, for example, I can have something that'll just, whoa, that is some video over there. Something where I can see that it's next to me and it says, well, you're on Facebook, so get back to work. Just as a nudge that I've got something that I need to be focusing on. This might be one thing that can help people stay on track when you've got goals, etc. And you can specify these goals. Like you can say that, well, at the start of the day, I'd like me to be focused on something, and I can help you avoid any distractions and sort of get back to stuff. And let's say you are on the thing that you're supposed to do. In my case, I'm working on, say, some Figma design. And this is where it's super powerful, where you might be looking at a specific design. It knows that this is a work thing, and it knows that this is something that you should be working on. It reminds me that, well, there's a client meeting as well at 6 o'clock. That's something I've fed in over here that I can be prepared for. It knows that, well, since I'm on Figma, that's something that I can start doing, like adding more visual cues. So there's a lot of text here, so it's saying, well, try adding some visual cues. So again, the possibilities are endless, but let me know what you think. Is Second Cursor something interesting to you? Drop me a comment, and if you want to try it out, then happy to get you started on this. I'll share the link in the comments, and just fill out the form and I'll get you set up with what might possibly be the future of AI. All right, that's all for me for today. Have a good one.